Welcome to my honest review of the Svvimer Hair Thickening Conditioner. This product promises to help with hair thinning by thickening the hair. But does it really live up to its claims? I've been using it for a while now, and I'm here to share my experience. First off, the Svvimer Hair Thickening Conditioner has a smooth texture that's easy to apply to the hair. The scent is mild, which is a plus for those who prefer fragrance-free or lightly scented products. It doesn't feel greasy, and I noticed that it was easy to rinse out after applying. After using it for a few weeks, I didn't see dramatic changes in my hair thickness. However, I did notice my hair felt a bit fuller and softer. The formula includes ingredients meant to nourish the scalp, and my scalp didn't feel irritated, which is a good sign. While I didn't experience major hair regrowth or drastic thickening, I believe this conditioner could work well for maintaining hair health, especially for people with fine or thinning hair who don't expect an overnight miracle. If you're looking for a product that will give you instant volume or thickening, this might not be the solution. However, if you're after a product that helps maintain the health of your hair while providing some light thickening effects, it's worth considering. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. In conclusion, the Svvimer Hair Thickening Conditioner is a solid product for regular hair care. It doesn't promise miracle results, but it does provide some improvement in texture and hair softness. I would recommend it for those looking for a gentle, everyday product that contributes to overall hair health. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more reviews like this. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful.